Hi, Class 6 pupils. This time for science. I welcome you all for today's lesson. Our topic today is about soil. The subtopic is soil erosion. Pupils, I want to define what is soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal of the rich and the productive top soil from one place to another by either strong winds or moving water. Pupils, the fertile topsoil on the land is carried down the slopes, leaving the land bare with no vegetation cover or with little or no nutrients to support the growth of plants. Pupils, what are the agents of soil erosion? The agents of soil erosion are wind and we have water. We start with wind. Pupils, strong winds usually blow away top fertile soils on bare and dry lands, leaving plants without nutrients. The nutrients, they are very important to the growth of plants. In desert areas, loose sand is carried away by strong winds. The loose sand is then deposited on top of fertile soil elsewhere, hence, therefore, reducing the fertility of the region where they are deposited. To moving water. Pupils, moving or flowing water washes off loose fertile topsoil down the slopes, therefore leaving plants without nutrients. Heavy rain drops and displace loosely backed soil particles on bare ground. Pupils, now we move to factors that increase the rate of erosion. What are some of the factors that facilitate soil erosion? We are going to have a look on 6 factors. After we are done with that one, we will come to the end of our today's lesson. Number 1, we have human activities. Some of the human activities include burning of vegetation cover, cutting down of trees. The cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Poor farming methods, which include cultivating down steep slopes and near riverbanks. Also, we have overgrazing and overstocking. Overstocking, pupils, is keeping too many animals on a small piece of land. Another human activity is mining and quarrying activities. Number 2, slope, also known as gradients. Steep slopes are more prone to soil erosion than gentle slopes or flat areas. Therefore, the steeper the slope, the faster the rate of erosion. Number 3 is this type of soil. Pebbles, type of soil. Loose soils are more easily eroded as compared to compact soils. For example, sand soils are more easily eroded than clay soils. Number 4, lack of vegetation cover. When we talk about lack of vegetation cover, it reduces the impact of heavy rain drops on the top soil and also acts as wind breakers. Blunt roots also hold soil particles in place. Pupil spare land is prone to increased action of soil erosion in comparison to vegetated land. Next, that is number 5, rainfall intensity, also known as amount of rainfall. Pupils, heavy rains lead to increased action of soil erosion than light rains. Animals, pupils. Animals loosen the soil particles as they walk on the land. This makes the soil to be easily carried away by either strong winds or flowing water. Therefore, this is the reason why most footpaths of animals are usually eroded completely, leading to U or V-shaped gullies. Pupils, we are coming to the end of our today's lesson. What I want you to take into consideration is you go through the lesson, then get to know the agents of soil erosion as wind, water, and how it facilitates soil erosion. Factors that increase the rate of soil erosion are human activities, slope or gradients, type of soil, lack of vegetation cover, rainfall intensity, which is the amount of rainfall, and the animals. Pupils, that one brings us to the end of our today's lesson. I wish you a nice day. We meet another day, inshallah.